Hello everyone. Welcome to the My Favorite Things September 2019 release and review. I have most of the products here. I also have some favorites from the previous release that I wanted to show because I never got a chance to do a release and review video. I can't even talk. Oi, let's jump right into it. So, this release is so up my alley. Every release really is, but I was so excited with this one. So first things first, is I did die cut everything. So I have this, this is the stitchable falling stars. And it's this row, they're rows, straight rows of holes basically. And then you have a star die, and then there's even an individual star die. And the point of it is to create these stitching lines that you can then stitch with like embroidery thread and whatnot. So you can do them in different colors, and then you can die cut the stars from different colors and then line them all up. Isn't that cute? So I just have mine, the guide lined up, and then I just used some Post-it tape and kept it on there. So next time I gotta use it, I can just pull it out, stick it on, die cut it, good to go. So there's that one. And then we have the little hello. So there's the die and the outline, and just a nice size. And I love MFT's like scripty fonts. Really love this. I've literally had it sitting beside my desk now for a while and been meaning to use it. So we have that one. Then we have the, I already lost that piece. There it is. This is the All the Stars cover up. So this one is A2 size. Or slightly smaller than A2 size. I can't remember. Just smaller than A2 size. So it'll frame nicely. And then you can leave the stars in, or you can pop them out. One like this I like because it's kind of double duty. You've got the outline, but then you can also line up all the stars, or just use the stars, use them as shaker elements. Like, you know. I have a thing for star dies. I don't know what it is, but yeah. So you've got, like, you can use just this and then the stars, or line up all the stars, etc. So just a really fun wafer die. Definitely one of my favorites. There's that one. And then we have the Skinny Stripes Horizontal. So it's just one die, and it die cuts all these stripes. And it looks so nice. You can layer it behind glitter paper, or do like an ombre effect, etc. And then you could add like a sentiment. And your card is done. Like... So you can use it either way, you know? Like, it's just something very clean and graphic. So we've got that one. Before I get into the rest of this release that I'm like losing my mind over, I want to show some of the stuff that was released previously, just because it... So there was this adorable Best Witches stamp set. Again, I've had this sitting out. There's a coordinating die set. I've got all the dies cut apart, ready to go. Want to make some Halloween cards with it. I think it's so cute. I love the little, like, haunted houses. They're kind of, like, wonky and the cute little witches and just all of it. I just think it's so cute. So there's that one. There is also this adorable, this is the SPOOKTACULAR Spooktacular Friends. So you've got all these just adorable little characters done in her style. Little haunted house. Whole bunch of sentiments. Boo from me to you. Eek, I missed your special day. I like that too. Because, you know, like, being your friend is a real treat. Like, so much of these, they're not specifically Halloween. You know, you can do, that's another reason why I love Halloween cards, is you can do, like, Halloween theme, but they're for birthdays. Just thinking of you. It's just that season. So this kind of plays on that. There's coordinating die sets for that. And then there's this cute little, this would just be great for little scenes. This is just the EERIE tree wafer die. So you can use those to make, you know, a little scene. So there's that one. And then there's also these two tucked in turf. There's vertical and the tucked in turf horizontal wafer dies. And both of these dies have the grass elements. And what I love is it die cuts these parts so you can tuck in little scene elements, little characters, etc. So you've got that one, and then you have the vertical. So if you want that orientation. Just like so, and same thing. These little pieces kind of pop up. So you can either just use them as extra dimension, you know, pop them out a little bit, or stick little characters. So these will be great with some of this other stuff. So that was from previous releases, and I'll link to all of it like I always do. So we have those. Then we have, this was like, the September release was like the release of Birdie Brown. So many Birdie Brown sets. I have been a fan of her design style since the beginning. Apologies for the light. It's like getting dark. My lighting is kind of crap, but I wanted to get this filmed. Okay, so we've got the Lessons in Love and the Favorite Teacher stamp set, just little mini sets. So you've got, you know, You Will Be Missed. Oh, cursive. I forgot your birthday. Thank you for an amazing year. You are appreciated. You rule. To the best teacher. Like, love it. Coordinating wafer dies for both, for the characters and the images. Just such great little sets. So we got those ones. Then we have this gorgeous, this is the Floral Focus. So we have this large floral image. Really good sentiments of sending love, you know, with sympathy, sending peace, sending hope. There is a coordinating wafer die that will die cut out this entire image, as well as like all the center portions, which I really, really like. I like when dies will cut out all those bits. It just gives it that extra bit. So there's that one. And then we have kind of everything like all over the place. So then we have this really great, this is the Biddy Thanks and Gratitude. I kind of get a kick that, you know, in MFT world, this is small because a lot of their sentiments are quite large. But for me, I find these like, these are a good size. I like them. So yeah, thank you for being awesome. Thanks a million. I'd be lost without you. Thanks for everything. You're simply the best. Like, this is a good one. This, anything that's like thankful, thank you, etc. I like sentiments like that, because thank you cards are what I make the absolute most. I can't thank you enough. Sincere thanks. Tons and tons and tons. Love. So we got that one. And then we have this amazing, oh, I love this. This is the brush splatter background. I have become, anyone who's followed my videos, I've become very comfortable with splattering all the things. But for people that aren't or want more control, this is perfect. You can just stamp it. Then you have splatter, but with control, you know, so great for backgrounds, everything else. I remember way, way, way back in the day, like 15 years ago, I had a little stamp, a little splatter stamp. And I remember I used it so much. I literally wore the stamp out because I used it so much, because everything had to be stamped for me back then. So I love this though. I like the look of it. Like, even though I like splatter and I have no problem with splatter, I still see myself using this a lot. This will look good as like snow, a starry sky, or just like artistic splatter. And it is A2 sized, so it will cover, you know, your entire card. Love it. Absolutely love it. So that's a clear background. And then we have the knitted sweater red rubber background. Kind of hard to show on here, but you'll see the graphic if you want to click on the link. Just a gorgeous, like perfect, like sweater, you know, pattern background. Just very nice and neutral, which I love. And this is one of MFT's red rubber on cling foam, super deeply etched, high quality. Love. So we've got that one. And then we have this really, really cute, it's another SPOOKTACULAR set. This is Piles of Fun. There it is. I was like, Piles of Fun. So you've got a pile of leaves, you know, these little characters that can be like jumping into them. Love, love, love. I think this is so cute. So yeah, happiness is jumping in a pile of leaves. You make me jump for joy. Thanks for everything. You're a blessing to me, etc. This is a bigger set. There is a coordinating wafer die set for all these characters as well. So there's that. And then, last but certainly not least, is all of the absolutely fabulous things that had me nearly jumping for joy when I opened the package. Okay, first off, grande sized love. Pure innocence. She's holding a little to-go coffee cup or teacup. Thanks for always perking me up. You're beautiful. We go together like cream and sugar. Sending grande sized love. Obviously, I love this little set. There's a little coordinating wafer die to die cut her. Love her. She's perfect. So we've got that one. We have two more Birdie Brown sets that are just the cutest things that have ever existed. This is Sweater Weather in the Woods. You got all these characters and they're wearing sweaters, and they have little to-go cups as well. Two of them do. There's an individual one so you can have them holding, or just doing, you know, you got the little owl flying. This little guy's like reaching out to give you a hug. Little coffee beans. a little like kind of beanie sort of hat. Sending warm hugs. You're the pumpkin spice to my latte. I saw that and I was like, this set is mine. Even though it already was. Anyway, I've been moosing you like crazy. Can we get together soon? There are 2 things that perk me up, coffee and you. There's nothing foxier than you in a sweater. When friends gather, memories are made. Like, I just, coordinating dynamic set for that. Then we have this one by Birdie Brown. This is Sweater Weather on Safari. So the safari characters wearing sweaters with to-go. Love it. I love a hot coffee with my cool friend. Have a warm birthday. Can you keep a secret? You're my favorite. I'm thankful for a friend like you. Let's cozy up. I'm falling for you. Like, he's so cute. I love it. So there's a coordinating wafer set for that as well. And then, because we ain't done, we have 2 more dynamic sets. We have Cafe All Day and Mini Cafe All Day. So I die cut these. So this is the mini one. He's just little kind of baby sized cup. So you have like the cup, the wrap, the topper layers, etc. There's a whipped cream layer. So you can either build this. I die cut this topper from vellum, you know, the see-through lid. There's the straw. So you can like add all these elements, you know, build your little frappuccino, just like so. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Or you could leave those off and just make it a little to-go cup with this wafer die. Isn't that cute? And they're just little, like, but, and yet still a nice size. Like, it's not, they call it mini, but it's not that small, but, you know, doesn't take up the whole card. So that's the mini one. And then the regular size one, you have the outline die, the wrap, everything else. Like, all the elements are the exact same, just sized larger. So same thing. You can do, you know, your whipped cream and your lid and the straw, or you could do this. And then the bonus is you can use the outline die to die cut your outline, which you have like so. And then MFT has released coffee cup shaker pouches. See why I'm so excited for this release? I'm literally just, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So you got your little shaker pouches and you can just stick that right in there. Stick that there. Fill it with all your little shaker elements. Add a lid. Add a sentiment. How cute is this? And what now I have to get more of these. I have these frosty ice cubes. I've shown these because I use those with the cocktail shaker pieces. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get more of these now because you can obviously fill these with that. So the thing I really love about the shaker pouches, it makes it really easy to add more dimensional items to your shakers. So I'll just do that, and I'll just flip it over this way just to make this kind of work without fully adhering anything. So yeah, they literally look like ice cubes. So you could add that and other little like micro beads, etc. to make this look like, you know, your frappuccino. Isn't that the funnest thing ever? Love it. This release is so much fun. Oh, and there's a sentiment set. I'm like getting ahead of myself. Okay. Cup of Love. We're the perfect blend. This one is for you. Coffee date soon. Sending you a cup of love. Life happens, but coffee helps. With you, it was love at first sip. I love this. Oh, frap. Really fun release from MFT. I'm super excited about it. Everything is just fun. I will have links to everything in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. Like I've mentioned in other videos, I will be uploading a lot in September because it's also Stamptember. All these companies are releasing amazing products. I'm trying to stay caught up. Having so much fun. It's wonderful. So if you aren't subscribed, I have a subscription button right down there. If you are, there's a little bell button you can click to get a notification every time I upload a new video. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, for commenting, subscribing, thumbs upping, all of it. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned. I have more videos, giveaways, all kinds of things going, and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye!